In this video, I'll show you how to add a benefit in Gusto. First, sign in to your Gusto account and open your company dashboard. From the main menu, go to Benefits to view your current benefits and available options. Next, click Add Benefit or Explore Benefits, depending on what appears in your account. Choose the type of benefit you want to offer, such as health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, retirement plans, or commuter benefits. After that, follow the setup process by selecting your provider or plan options, entering any required company information, and reviewing the eligibility requirements for your employees. Now, assign the benefit to eligible employees, choose the employer and employee contribution amounts if applicable, and review all of the benefit details before continuing. Finally, save your changes and complete the enrollment process. Once everything is confirmed, your employees will be able to enroll in the new benefit during the applicable enrollment period. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a benefit in Gusto. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.